Hello guys, welcome once again to another video by Lathe Plans. Today's video is just a short clip of the Stuart 10V running under steam in the garden. This is the first run after it's been rebuilt after painting, so there is a slight knocking sound and it does need some improvements on the valve timing, but this does give you a very good idea of how the engine runs. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you in a future video where I show you setting up the valve timing and removing the knocking sound as well. Take care guys, and I will see you in the next video.